Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Thuglife token. Ticker symbol is Thug. This token is in their pre-sale right now. They're doing very well. They've sold 174,712 US dollars worth of tokens. Doing amazing on here. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can join the pre-sale if you'd like in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Thuglifetoken.com is their official webpage. As always, I put the Twitter up here in the corner of the page so you guys can easily find this token. At Thug_life_token is their Twitter. Go check that out. You can follow them if you want to. Stay tuned for updates. Or you could join their Telegram, which is at Thuglifetoken on Telegram. 565 subscribers so far on their Telegram. Now, this is a very brand new project. They've sold over $174,000 worth of tokens. Now, their pre-sale right here is on their webpage. If you just go over to Thuglifetoken.com. It says, I didn't choose the Thuglife. The Thuglife chose me. Join the Thug movement. And they have a little bit over $1.8 million remaining for this pre-sale. So they're trying to reach $2,058,000. And so far, like I said, they're only at 174,000. So they still have a ways to go, but they're doing very well so far. You can buy this token on the webpage here by connecting your MetaMask wallet, maybe your Trust wallet with Wallet Connect. And you could buy it with Ethereum or USDT, and it has a calculator balance here. It says you pay, and then you can plunk in how much Ethereum or USDT, and then it'll tell you how much Thuglife tokens you receive. And it says 1 Thug equals 0.0007 USD. So, yeah, and then they have information here. It says Thuglife, the ballers meme coin, get gangsta in the market and pimp out the money game. And it has tons of memes. It's got Doge, it's got Snoop, it's got that kid who's like excited with the fist. I forget the guy's name, but you know what I'm talking about. It's got that little girl who like burned down a building or whatever in the background. It's got Pepe, Doge, Snoop. Yeah, all the memes on here. So, it is what it is. It says, yo, got played at the peak, huh? Your favorite influencer played you for a fool. Used you as a cash out tool, leaving your bags worthless while they caked up. We feel your pain, man, and we've got your back. The Thug token ain't just a token. It's a movement fueled by humor, brotherhood, and the struggle of hustling in the crypto game. Rolling with meme wizards and crypto fanatics, the Thug token represents the tough love of the internet, resilience, comedy, and trolling. Playing can make you rich, even if you bought at the top. Join the Thug movement. Get that FOMO. Turn screw-ups into profits. We turn past losses into future wins. Thuglife is the new come-up, homie. Join the hustle. Unleash the Thug token hustle, rising straight out of crypto. Feel the strength of the streets as you roll with the Thug crew. Our hood represents driving this coin straight to the top with no utility and nothing more than a shared grind. It's time to back Thug and aim to get paid. So this is very much a meme token. It says no utility, so just be aware that what you're investing in has literally no intrinsic value besides, you know, if people are willing to invest in it and the price goes up, and that is basically it. Which happens all the time with meme tokens. Let's be real here. Let's look at Pepe and Doge and all these other tokens, Shiba Inu, who did nothing at first, and you know, and then they're just memed out, and then all of a sudden they're, you know, in the top 10 or wherever they're at right now. Catch the raw energy of our fam, boosting the relentless rise of the Thug token. Together we'll blow past the norm, smash the system, and ride or die and take the Thug token to new heights. Roll with or die hard crew, rep the coin, and let's conquer new turf with Thug. Ain't no ceiling to what we can achieve. So the tokenomics are on here, so very memed out tokenomics. Total token supply is basically 420. It is 4,200,000,000 tokens. It's on the Ethereum blockchain, this token. 70% of the tokens go to presale. And then we have, looks like the rest, it doesn't really say what the rest is for. I'm assuming it's just the rest going to go to liquidity. They might have multiple pre-sales, different phases. That could happen. But I'm assuming the rest goes to liquidity or decentralized or centralized exchange liquidity. Now, it goes over the pre-sale price. Initial market cap, it says, is $2,940,000. They're trying to raise $2,058,000. No min or max purchase. And liquidity is locked for 3 months. So 3 months isn't the longest time. So if they lock, you know, liquidity for 3 months on Uniswap, if you follow their socials and whatnot, hopefully they do extend it as it reaches towards 2 months and they update people. Now, there's frequently asked questions on here like, what is Thuglife? Thuglife is a ballers meme coin. It's time to get gangsta and pimp out the money game. Why was Thug token created? Well, meme seasons, it's meme season right now, it's saying, and we need to get back into the Thug token. This one's for the homies who want to get paid. When can I claim? It says we will drop it like it's hot, as right after the pre-sale, as soon as possible. Claim and launch on the same day. We'll holla when ready. And then how do I claim my Thug tokens? It says sit back and chill for now. Claim your Thug tokens from the website once we've announced it. So yeah, check it all out. They have a contact email at the bottom of the page if you have any questions. info@thuglifetoken.com. Check out their Twitter. Check out the Telegram that I mentioned earlier. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the Thug token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.